G'day guys and girls. Alright, here we go. Video to get yous all going. How to crank out your gold from a specimen if that's what you'd like to do. Alright, so common myth is that you need a hot plate and 300 degrees, rardy-dardy. You don't. Alright, we're going to show you how to do it on a simple little gas mate with some caustic soda. Cost you around $10–11 from Bunnings. Alright, I've got a stainless steel tea jug here. Beautiful, that's what you need. A little bit of water, some chemical gloves, some gas for the burner, and of course you need your specimen. Alright guys, you can see gold running through there, down there. Now, I haven't tested this with a multimeter. I don't know if all this gold's connected, but I suspect 90% of it will be connected. We're going to find out by the end of this, that's for sure. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a mixture. Now, it's pretty easy. We just open our jug, throw the specimen in the jug. Now, I'm holding the camera, so it's going to be a little bit tricky to open the caustic soda. So let me pause this quickly while I open the caustic soda. We'll be right back. Alright, here we go. So, we've only got a small specimen in this one. So we're going to do 2 cooks in this video. This is the first one. Now, common myth again is you just need enough caustic soda to cover your small piece. Alright, well, my recommendation is overdo it. Alright, put a ton in there. That's what you need. Alright, now you just want a bit of a paste. That's heaps. Alright, now specimen is covered. Crank in a gas bottle. So I've done this quite a few times. Rightio. Full bore, guys. Full bore. Now, I really love this container because it's got the lid, and I don't know if I'll get it, but it's got little dots for the spout. It's not an open spout. Now, you can hear that reacting almost instant. I'm not going to sit here too long, guys, because these fumes are really toxic. Make sure this is done away from any open windows. No children or anything nearby. No one should be near this while it's cooking. Alright, now, the thing I do when I'm cooking with a gas bottle like this and the caustic soda is I set it and I forget it. So, that's on full bore. I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to let it go, and we'll come back when that gas bottle is pretty much empty. Alright, this has been cooking for quite a long time. I'm going to switch it off, let it cool down for a little bit, and have a look. And guys, I can't stress enough, don't breathe in these fumes. The first thing you'll feel if you breathe them in is a mad headache, and then it's just all downhill from there. You'll feel crook all night, and if you breathe in too much, it will kill you. So please be very careful. Okay, so I'll let it cool down a bit. It's still gonna be very warm. Now, flip the lid. can see the gold at the moment. So what we're going to do is water it down and recook. Now this is where a lot of people go wrong. They just let it cook and cook and they empty it out and they think that's it. Well, that's not it. You've got to add more water to dilute the acid right down. So I'm going to fill the jug up about 3/4 of the way up. I'm going to recook, and then I'm going to empty that water, and I'm going to fill it back up, and I'm going to recook. But all these recooks are only going to be very brief, for maybe a minute, and that'll dilute it, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we're about half full now with water again. I'm going to put it back on the heat for about a minute or so, get that acid that's stuck in the bottom to dilute in the water, and let's go. So just back on the high heat. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's reacting again already. So, not diluting the acid is what will leave your brown residue and stuff in the bottom, or if your container is not completely stainless. So when you're buying a stainless jug, make sure it's a good one. Preferably, guys, you do want a lid. Alright. Now when you're re-adding the water, be extremely careful. It has to be cooled down, because if you add the water and it's not cooled down, it will spit everywhere, and possibly in your eyes, possibly on your legs or hands. Make sure to wear protective equipment when doing this. I can't stress that enough. Now you can see those fumes coming out there. Super dangerous, guys. I'm gonna get away. Alright, we're going to click this off. That's had a good 2 or 3 minutes. I'm going to let that cool down a little bit. I'm going to put on the glove, grab the rag, pick it up, go and drain it in a safe place. Nice and easy, because there could be some fine gold in there, which I suspect there's going to be from this particular specimen. I don't think you really need to see me drain the water out. I'll put the glove on and I'll film it anyway. I'll be back. Alright. Very slow pour. Now you see that rusty colour? It's exactly what you do want. So remember, this has been cooked. Now it's been diluted once. Yeah, it's nice, easy. Yeah, I'm gonna tip gold out. I can hear a nugget in there. Alright, let's have a quick look in here. Oh, beautiful. Fucking beautiful. So this particular specimen, guys, is one of my followers who asked me to clean it for him. Oh, I don't know if you can see that yet. What an amazing piece of gold has come out of that. 2 pieces. 2 pieces. And fine gold. So what we're going to do So we're going to dilute this one more time because we've nearly got no residue in the bottom. A lot of people, there's absolutely no quartz left there whatsoever. Now, a lot of people on the videos I watched, they have problems with the residue in the bottom sticking to the bottom. Now, this dilution method, I've got no residue, and I'm going to dilute it one more time. Again, halfway with water. Cook it for another 3 to 5 minutes. Slowly drain it out. And then we're going to do the final process, which is washing it into a pan, making sure it's 100% safe and diluted for the final result, guys. Come on, let's go. You guys, we're half full again with water for the final cook. I'm getting pretty excited now for my follower. He's going to be super stoked with these results. Let's go. Alright guys, we're all done on the final dilute. Should be the final dilute. I can hear those nuggets rolling around in there. Yeah. The water's not as rusty as it was. Quite clear, which is what you want. You want clean water at the end of the process. Should be able to hear the gold moving freely in the container. Alright. Now, I'm just going to have a quick look. Beautiful. So the gold is free in there. So grab your pan, turn on your water. Now, be very careful because that jug will still be very hot. Test it. We're not splittering and splattering. So in we go. Give the container a thorough wash out. Straight into the pan. Don't be scared to fill your pan right up with water. Just going to dilute any leftover acid. Now, like we said, a lot of videos, people are complaining because they got brown rusty stuff stuck in the bottom. That is spotless clean. There's absolutely nothing left in that container. Now we got all our fine gold, and I can see micro gold in this pan already. That's how good this process is, guys. Now I'll turn the water off. Oh, these nuggets have come out just beautiful. Now, there's no detergent in this water. Gold will float. Make sure your gold's all on the bottom. Now, this follower's got quite a substantial amount of flour gold here. He's got two beautiful nuggets. Guys, check this out. So we've got a tiny little bit of iron left there. But that nugget. Now remember, that special, all you could see was a couple of dots of gold on it. Now that's just one piece that's come out of it. Look at that. That is a beautiful piece of gold. There's number two. Just beautiful gold. Now he's got quite the amount of flour gold, guys. Look at that. Now you can't beat this process. You cannot beat it. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope I have taught you something. And I hope my followers are super happy with the result. Thanks again, guys. Like and follow. I'll see you on the next one. Quick follow up, guys. 0.74 nuggets. Maybe a couple of points in fines in the pan. Beautiful result.